Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to blur the background of your photo in Photoshop. So let's start the video. First open your image in Photoshop, then select the image. Now with the background selected, head over to the top menu and click Filter. And then go to Blur. Here you will see a lot of blur options, but for background, the best option is Gaussian Blur. Click on it. A slider will appear. Move it until you get the blur effect you like. Now click OK and you've got a blurred background. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.